Next to creating nails, I love teaching nails. I have a course coming up. I designed my 3-day workshop for those of you doing your own nails, or if you have some experience, you can level up those skills. Included in your tuition, you will also receive a nail kit value of $1,000. These are just some of the items. In this workshop, I'm teaching application, sculpting, shaping, form placement. How many times do we get that wrong, right? That's an art in itself. What's special about my workshop is I get to work with you and your personal nail needs. You guys know Jenny B. She does Cardi B's nails. She does many celebrities. She's the queen of bling. She's going to show us how to do bling. I'm very excited for this. Jenny will be joining us May 8th for a full day of nail art and bling. If you'd like to find more information on this 3-day workshop, go to nailcareer.com. All the information and the details are there. I hope you can join us. Jenny and I are looking forward to seeing you.